Hello everyone, Morgan here, and today I am testing the Coleman Oven. Yes, that's right, the Coleman Oven. As you can see when I pulled it out, it was flat. And now I'm folding it up to make it into the box shape that you might expect of an oven. And sorry if you didn't see me putting it together perfectly, but here there's a little rack. The rack did come with it, so you just slide that in and there you go. So now it is time to officially test it. We're going to be making some homemade from scratch rolls. So you can put this over almost any propane surface. I'm going to go ahead and do it on the Coleman stove, but you can do it like on a Blackstone or anything like that. I would try to refrain from fire unless it was some kind of coals, but we're watching here for the heat. And I will tell you, it took a long time to get to anywhere close to a temperature that I needed. I wanted to get it to reach 375, which is what my recipe said. But so we ate s'mores, we did some of these, and while we were doing these other activities, I just let it heat up and try to preheat. And it took about a solid 30 minutes. I started at about 6:43, and by the time I was ready, it was about 7:15 or so, 7:14, something like that. So by the time we were officially ready, the kids are playing around. Those are my homemade rolls there. You do have to find pans that will fit in here, just FYI, but I did have a few. Some bread pans will fit, stuff like that. But even then, when I decided to put it in, it still didn't reach temp. And when I opened that door, boy, of course that temp dropped, right? Like I expected it, obviously. But it dropped and it just like stayed there for a long time. Like it did not reach temp. The temperature never got back up, and I was like, oh gosh, like I'm it's just gonna sit here, not doing anything. I put the timer on for about 30 minutes, which is what the original recipe said to bake it at, but I never saw it get back up to even 300, let alone what I wanted it to be at 375. And so I thought, oh boy, the rolls, they're not going to be done. I'm just going to have flat, gooey rolls. I don't know. This is what I was expecting. But somehow, by some miracle, I don't know why or how, but it baked perfectly.
Is it done?
Yeah, I think so. Even though the outside said it didn't reach temperature, I put it in for the exact time that it said. And don't touch. And they look done. Don't touch, babies. And they're definitely done. Look at that. Okay, so how does it look? Oh man, it looks perfect. See if I can get this better.
Dude, that came out amazing.
Yeah.
It came out perfect.
Came out perfect.
Careful, baby girl.
Bottom is a little crusty, but that's, I would expect that out of anything.
Mom, I won't get mine.
Yeah. There we go.
Mom, I won't get mine roll.
Okay, it's really hot. I'll get it. Oh man. Well, it's perfect. It's baked perfectly. The top is nice and brown. Look at that. The brown on the outside.
Boom.
Looks great.
You really done. I love your shape and the way it is.
You like it?
Yes.
You like how the oven cooked it?
Yes.
I wasn't sure, but I mean, even though the temp didn't say correct, it definitely baked it.
Yes. iPhone.
There, doing the hack that I see online all the time. There's no water in it, but it still reflects.
Mom,
Look at that.
I can actually pick it up.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
Okay, you gonna try the bite?
Yeah, I can
Okay.
try it. I tried it. Bye.
How is it?
Good.
Tastes like good bread?
It would taste better if you had some butter.
I know, we forgot the butter. Blow on it, blow on it. It's very hot. I just felt it with my finger.
I'm gonna taste a little crusty piece.
Okay.
I'm tasting a crusty piece.
The crusty pieces are the best. Did you get it? Did you eat it? Oh, yeah, because
You have been upgraded.
Because you're light.
You have been upgraded to master camping baker.
And this was cooked from scratch. This was not biscuit.
No premix.
Butterfly.
Oh my gosh,
That's
that's
not
really good.
butterfly. That's a moth.
That's really good.
All right, well, this was a success. I'm pretty happy with it. I thought I was gonna be really disappointed with it, but I'm pretty happy.
Gimme.
Yeah.
I love your spoon.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. You are your best turkey eyes.
Oh, you're sweet. Okay, there you go. What do you want to say? What's the ending?
You're your best cook ever. Talking about by Propane today.